Hey everybody, welcome to another session with the Black Forex Academy. It's still the beginning of the year. I hope you guys are ready to capitalize on this year. How's your first trading week back? Um, so anyways, in this video, I'm going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. Now, we're going to start off with the indices, obviously, and then move our way to the currency pairs in which they affect. Starting off with JPYX, we do see, so I'm going to be analyzing on the 4-hour time frame. So we do see that prices have potentially broken above here as prices closed above these highs and breaking above this descending trend line. So for the coming week, I will be anticipating to see some kind of a bullish continuation on the JPYX. But obviously, my first targets will be somewhere here. And then once prices break above here, then I'll know it's on. Once prices break above here, I know it's on, if that makes sense. So that's that. That's what I'm anticipating to see happen on JPYX. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? Now, we do have Euro JPY, which we did take a trade on Friday. A sell trade, obviously, because we saw prices broke below these lows, created a new low, and then created a lower high. So we were just waiting for a 4-hour entry confirmation, and then we got that. We are now floating at over 100 pips, holding the trade until it hits take profit right there, and then we'll see if we do get other entry or potential trading opportunities once prices break below here. Now, that's my view on Euro JPY. Hopefully next week will also be beautiful and give us a winning trade. We do have another JPYX affected currency pair, which is CAD JPY. With CAD JPY, prices are still bullish. Okay. Prices are still bullish. Prices are still bullish. So prices, you can see that in a bullish trend, still haven't changed the trend. I will only be looking for trades once prices break below this low, give us a retest, and then keep on pushing lower. For those that were wondering, yes, we did take a buy trade here once prices broke above that. And then we got stopped out. It happens. And yeah, that's what I'm anticipating to see happen with CAD JPY. We do also have USD JPY. USD JPY, come on now. This one's about also in a bullish trend. I'm not really looking for any trades until it actually gives me a proper confirmation. And with the proper confirmation, remote trends, yeah. No, not log remote. And with the proper confirmation, I do mean like a bearish confirmation, because you can see the bulls are losing momentum. They really don't have the strength to keep on pushing. So I will be looking for an opportunity once prices break that, and then we continue selling, because obviously it's also driven by the JPY. As you can see, we do have the JPY right there. And the bulls seem like they're losing momentum. As you can see how it's playing out right here. Very, very weak momentum. So I will be looking for that reversal trades. Now, what's happening with DXY? With DXY, prices are also bullish. That's what's crazy. We have the bulls pumping in JPYX and the bulls pumping on DXY. Obviously, one will reverse. It's inevitable. So we just got to be careful and manage the risks of the trades that you're taking, because these pairs are inversely correlated and this won't last long. But so far, US dollar also pumping bullish, strong, strong, strong. We are anticipating to see a bullish continuation in this coming week. How will this be impacting the other currency pairs? We do have Euro USD. that prices have closed below these lows. I'm anticipating to see a bearish continuation. An impulsive move first, retracement, and then that. That's what I'm anticipating to see happen on Euro USD. GBP USD prices have already, we took this trade and then we closed it before the NFP. So, but the NFP also came in our direction, but we're already out of the trade. But it was a proper trade management, as we did have a retest, a break retest, and you see that confirmation, took the trade, and then it should have been now floating at over 70, 80 pips. But it is what it is. We don't trade fundamentals. Last year, one of the things that cost me the most as I was doing my back test at the end of the year is trades that are held through fundamental events. They actually cost me a lot of percentages. So I'm not going to repeat the same mistakes this year. We live and we learn, we grow, we evolve. That's how we become better. No mistakes, so no holding trades over the fundamentals. We closed it before, played out, but in the long run, I know it will hurt me more than it gives me pips. So it is what it is. I will be looking for more continuations or more entries on this pair should prices give me a retest. This is no longer needed. Should prices give me some kind of a retest, I will be looking for some kind of a continuation to that low. And yeah, let's take a look at gold. With gold, prices have broken above this high, gave us a retest. Obviously, I'm anticipating to see a bullish continuation for prices to keep pumping until somewhere there. That's what I'm anticipating to see as break, retest, continuation. It is what it is. So that's what I'm really anticipating or watching to see happen in this coming week. If you found value in this video, consider giving us a like, share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. Until next time, guys, appreciate you. Take it easy out there. Cheers.